Hello guys, in this video we will explain how to delete your phone data remotely, whether it is stolen or lost, and you want to delete its data. We will explain how to do this via your Gmail. It is a simple method, but you must follow these steps explained in this video. But before broadcasting in the explanation, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share the video. Let's go to the explanation. The first step, my friend, is to go to any other phone and go to Gmail and enter the same Gmail that you have in the lost or stolen phone. After that, you click on your profile icon, then click on Manage Your Account on Google. After that, you scroll down the bar here until you find the word Parents. Click on it, then go down to the bottom. You will find the devices. Here you will find all the devices connected to your account. Then click on Search for a lost device. Then choose the name of the device and the type of device in your lost device or phone. After that, here it will give you its actual location, and at the bottom here it will give you the data deletion. Click on it, but just to point out, the data access will not be done unless that device is connected to the internet. The data will start automatically when that device is activated via the internet. This was the topic of today's video. I hope you liked it and benefited. For any inquiries, problems, or suggestions, write them in the comments. We will meet in an upcoming video, God willing.